I've touched on this in a few of my other videos, so I won't make this lengthy. But one of the most important guides that you can have is not just to weigh yourself, but to measure yourself and also to photograph yourself. We all go on a journey, and sometimes, some weeks, it looks like we're not doing anything, nothing's changing. And I have been through that process myself. But where I find maybe that the scales aren't moving, the tape measure is. And where I feel that maybe the tape measure isn't doing anything, then some photographs of where I've come from to where I am at that present moment has been a great motivating factor. You know, the body is very clever and it takes some time to adjust. And so don't go expecting to get to your goal overnight. That is not how it's going to be, and that's not how it should be. I don't like crash diets. I don't like things that crash. Why? Because I think that it is just going to upset the body too fast, too soon. Everything has to be done gently. And the more you do it gently, it becomes a lifestyle rather than you are just doing it for one certain aim and one certain goal. It's great to have goals. I'm all for them. But please make this about your whole lifestyle, about making yourself fitter and healthier, and get it into your mind that this is going to take some time, but that by doing it slowly and gently and consistently is going to be the answer. It is going to stop you boomeranging, because crash diets do not work. They are, to me, are dangerous. When I see these things in magazines, on the front of certain ones in particular, lose 2 stone in a fortnight, or no carbs before marbs. My goodness, I could actually rip them off the whole of the stand and stamp on them, because it's wrong, and that's a wrong message that we are sending out to people. We need to be focusing on a health message rather than just how we look on the outside all the time. Yes, it's good to feel good about ourselves. Yes, it's good to see that we're making a difference, but doing these things is just plain stupid. And you know, just eating cabbage soup or whatever, what blooming nonsense is that? So please, I want you to do it sensibly. Don't weigh yourself every day. Weigh yourself once a week at the very, very most. Do it at the same time every week if you have to, or every month, or every fortnight. Do it at the same time, first thing in the morning before you've eaten, drunk, and if you want to log it down, do. But notice within yourself how you are feeling. So for example, if you're running and you're maybe running now 2 or 3k, just go back to how it felt when you ran 1k and how you felt to how you feel now. Go then do that 1k again and see how much fitter you feel, because that's a proper benchmark of where you are going and how you are progressing. And most of all, be proud of yourselves. I'm proud of you, and keep encouraging yourself and patting yourself on the back to say that I am engaging in a healthy lifestyle and a brand new regime that's all about me focusing on the health and well-being of me.